If you have a digital weight scale machine like that, which is GMD 30 for 30 kilo maximum, and here is the machine input voltage 6 volt with 500 milliamp charger. This machine mostly problems come with the lead acid battery. That battery is a 4 volt battery, and here is the charger. That charger is a 6 volt charger. So today we will replace this sealed lead acid battery with the lithium-ion cells 18650 cells. Their voltage is closer. We will not use the live PO4 because the live PO4 voltage is 3.2 volt or 3.65, which is not closer to this voltage because we use the 4 volt battery. You cannot use here the 2S configuration. You always have to use the cells which is closer to the specification of the machine because they are sensitive. So we will install the 18650 cells today, the battery, and the charging module we will use the TIP module. This module have a built-in protection and it is good, and the benefit of this set is we can charge using any mobile phone. To mobile phone charger we can use it. We no need to use this ordinary charger which is sometimes hard to find. So this why that is the best solution to charge your weight scale machine, and that cells have a more longer life than lead acid battery, and that cells will give a more longer backup because this battery is only 4Ah and that cells today we will use it is 5 cells. So this is a 10 ampere and this is a 4 ampere. So very close and easy to install. Let's get started. And remember one last thing, you cannot go to change the battery voltage higher for the weight scale machine. Okay, you cannot go for 2S configuration for the weight scale machine. You will always go for 1S in parallel. Okay, if you increase the voltage of this machine, the internal computer chip will burn, which is not good. I have to do some modification for the charging port because the old charging port was over there in the down, which was not so good. So I will install the charging port on the side. Let's measure the place inside for the lithium cells. Okay, it's look fit perfect. We will not use the holders in that case. We will just do direct spot welding. So this is the perfect. Battery spot welding is complete and the BMS is installed. Lastly, we will insulate the battery, and now it's a fitting time. One very important note, the charging module will not install over the BMS. Okay, BMS is a separately installed for the machine input. Okay, and the charging module will be installed directly to the battery, okay, for charging. Now we will test the weight. Okay, good. Correct. So that was our project, and I did some modification, which is right now here. This one you can see. Let me zoom in. The charging module we installed and use the silicone and just cover with the one cap. It will take little time to dry, so after that everything will be good. So type C charging, and we will just check if the charging light can on. I will use the power bank and let try it. Yes, correct. So it shows charging on. When it's fully charged, can be green or blue. So now can use the any kind of type C charging cable, even power bank. That is the best modification for this weight scale, for this machine. That is the best for this machine. So we check the switch off, everything is off, and everything is on. Good.